Welcome back to Planet Psych. Today, we're going to discuss 7 sneaky psychology tricks that actually work. What we are about to share in the next few minutes are some practical psychology tips and tricks to help you out in various situations. Hopefully, you'll be able to help yourself and others. Okay, here we go. 7 powerful psychology tricks that actually work. Number 1. Ditch the snooze button. We all know someone, or are them, who must set 6 or 7 alarms every morning to get them to wake up. How many times have important events been missed because of oversleeping? One way to make sure this doesn't happen anymore is to get out of bed and stand up as soon as the first alarm goes off. When that alarm chimes, make standing up your number 1 priority. Never mind about showering, making breakfast, or brushing your teeth. Simply tell your body to stand up. Your brain will signal your body that it's time to get going, which makes falling back to sleep much less likely. Okay, let's check out the next one. But first, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. We post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Number 2. The perfect amount of eye contact. It has often been said that eye contact is very important when making first impressions and displaying confidence. But how much eye contact is too much? A way to measure how long you're looking into someone's eyes. When you first meet them, make eye contact long enough for you to take note and memorize their eye color. Once you've noted their eye color and said the word in your head, then you've made the perfect amount of eye contact. When using this technique, however, make sure that you're still listening to what they're saying. You won't make a good impression if you forget to listen to their name because you are too busy paying attention to the color of their eyes. Number 3. Listen attentively. A great way to show someone that you're really listening to them is to periodically take something that they have just said and say it back to them in a different way. By rephrasing what someone has said, you show them that you're invested in the conversation and care about what they are saying to you. In fact, you can probably have a whole conversation with someone simply by paraphrasing what they're saying and most likely will not even notice. Practicing this skill will make people enjoy talking to you because they always feel like they are heard and that you support them in what they are saying. Number 4. Showing interest. You may not yet be confident in your ability to paraphrase what someone has just said, but the same psychological effect can be achieved simply by nodding your head at the appropriate time. As soon as a person finishes a point, nod your head to show them that you're interested in what they're saying and that you are equally passionate about it. Even if you aren't passionate about it, by nodding your head and showing interest, anyone who talks to you will feel engaged and ultimately good about themselves. The next point is overlooked by most people. Let's see if you've heard of this one before. Number 5. Warm hands. Every time you shake someone's hand, they should leave feeling glad that they met you. The most common one people think about is the strength of the handshake and how much eye contact to make. But no one really thinks about the temperature of their hand. Shaking someone's hand while yours are cold can immediately put them on edge, which will ruin your chances of making a good and lasting first impression. If you know you are going to be shaking hands with a lot of people, try to warm them up first by rubbing them together. This may seem like an insignificant gesture, but warm hands can make a huge difference when meeting new people, co-workers, and friends. Number 6. Leaning forward. Leaning forward is a great way to indirectly let someone know that you're having a good time with them. By leaning forward, you're closing the physical distance between the two of you, which people usually do only with the ones they feel comfortable with. This will indirectly show someone that you're having a good time with them. When you lean forward, you show the person that you feel comfortable and positive around them, which ultimately calms them down and makes them less nervous around you. Number 7. Leading goodbyes. So many people put so much effort into honing the perfect introduction to make a good impression, but few people think about how to effectively bring the conversation to a close. If you're talking to someone who you're likely to see again, like a coworker or a friend, don't just say goodbye when you're leaving. These kinds of endings can cause friendships to fade. try to use your goodbye as an opportunity for a new hello. For example, if you're talking to someone and you spend a part of the conversation discussing a movie that hasn't come out yet, when you leave, don't just say goodbye. Rather suggest that the two of you go and see the movie together when it comes out, while you're saying goodbye. This kind of leading goodbye tells the person that you enjoyed talking to them and that you want to see them again, making it much more likely that they will feel the same about you. What did you think of our list? Do you have any interesting tricks of your own? Share your points and see what others have to say in the comment section below. If you know someone you think will enjoy this video, please share it with them. It really helps us out. Here at Planet Psych, we post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Just a reminder, we're having a free giveaway at each channel milestone every month as we grow. We're giving away the brand new latest Kindle Paperwhite from Amazon. All you have to do is be a subscriber and turn on all notifications, leave a like, and comment about anything related to this video. The winner will be picked at random and announced in a future video. Thanks for watching Planet Psych. See you tomorrow.